friends, welcome to another video. This is going to be really exciting and fun because it's my very first FabFitFun video. Look what I got, you guys. What? Yeah, I am so excited about this. I have to be honest though, I could not wait to open it to see all what I got. So I did see it the other day before I got ready to make this video for you guys. And I'm a little disappointed on a couple of things, unfortunately, but I'm very happy with other things that I got too. So let me start with showing you what I got. All right, so just like what everyone else says, I got this magazine. It has Venus Williams on it and it has some interesting things in here. I have not really had a chance to really go through it much, just kind of glance through, but I'm really excited to actually go through this. Also, I got a $50 gift card. It is $25 off your first 2 deliveries plus free shipping of HelloFresh. And I'm actually been talking to my husband about trying this out because I think it'd be kind of fun and just different, you know? All right. So this box is absolutely gorgeous. Let me show you what, okay, so the outside of it is the pink, and then the inside looks like that. I think it's so pretty. I really like it. I'm a hoarder. I'm gonna hoard this box. All right, so let me start with what I picked out. So there was some options where I could pick out like 1 or out of 3 things, and I picked out this bag from, I think it's Dulux. I think that's how it's pronounced, Dulux. But it's really cute, and I was thinking about how fun and nice it will be for when we go on like vacations to either Disneyland or Disney World, or if we go to Silverwood theme park in Idaho, which we usually go once a year, like in the summertime, but we weren't able to last year, so that kind of sucked. But this is what the bag looks like. I can definitely make it fit my size. Now on the other videos I've seen of other people getting this, I could not tell that this was actually like a canvasy material, but it is definitely a canvasy, like creamy natural color. And then it has the black, pretty sure it's not real leather, but straps and accents to it. And this button is on there, and then it has buttons on the sides to kind of like shrink it or widen it, however you'd like. And there's a pocket right in here. So it's really cute. I thought it'd be really fun to take on like vacations and stuff. So I really am happy I got that. Another thing that I chose out of like a 3-option thing, which I noticed that a lot of people were not choosing, but I am such a kitchen person that I had to choose it. So I picked this. This is actually, it's measuring spoons, and it's from the Giada de Laurentiis. I don't know if I'm saying her name right, but she's I think she's Italian. I'm Italian as well, but just part Italian. I think she's like way more Italian than me. But she is like a chef, and she's a chef on the Everyday Italian, Giada in Italy, and 7 other shows. This is her right here, if you guys are curious. Giadzi is the brand, is her brand, and I really like this. Let me open this for you guys and show you. I'm so excited. I love me some measuring spoons. It's like a rose gold measuring spoon set. Yes please. So excited. Like everyone was not wanting this, but I was so excited about this. Like whenever all the other FabFitFun people I've watched, they're like, they weren't picking these, but I actually really like them, and they're like really heavy duty, and I think they're beautiful, and I think they're very, very cute. I'm really glad I got those. I picked that out myself. And then another thing I could have chose, I chose these sunglasses, and they're from Key. I think it's Key. I think that's how it's pronounced. Australia. This is this is the sunglass holder. It's nice and safe for the sunglasses. Now, I really love aviators. Like those are the go-to sunglasses I always go for. And so I saw these, and they're black. And this is the Vivian, I believe. And they're huge. I thought my eyes were huge, but these make me look like they're way bigger. But this is what it looks like in the front. Sorry, I keep looking this way because normally that's where my camera is, but it's over on this side, so I have to keep reminding myself to look this way. But here's what it looks like right there. and it's what it looks like on. I like them. I honestly really do like them a lot. I think they're really fun. They're just big, you know, it's okay. I can be protecting my cheekbones too. My cheeks also. But I really do like them. I think they're really cute. So I'm gonna keep them up right here for the rest of the video, just for fun. Oh, he found a toy. All right, so one thing I was really disappointed about, actually the only main thing I was really disappointed about, was the fact I was really hoping I was gonna get the Sip by Swell bottle. They have some unique, fun, like designs on them I've always wanted, but I could not fathom spending 20 bucks on a water bottle. Like, now I'm like, you know, maybe I can budget it, but still it's like I never like, oh, I was hoping I was gonna get one and I didn't get it. I got another option that they chose for me. I think it was either this or I think, oh, maybe it was one of these. So I got a couple of things I didn't choose that they chose for me out of like stuff. If I was a different, as like a select member, I would have been able to choose these also, but I'm not a select member. I think that's if you pay for your year's worth up front instead of every season. But I got this Ciate London Extraordinary Translucent Powder. I actually have a really small one of these I got from Ipsy a while back ago, but the packaging is really pretty. I just don't know if I ever would use translucent powder. Like, I'm so easygoing with how I do my makeup. I'm so like laid back. I just feel like this is like for like the people that are like really, 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 really into makeup, but that's just not me. But I don't know, we'll see. So this is what it looks like. Sorry, I have so much noise in the background. Riley is trying to go outside with his grandpa right now. She calls Papa. This is what it looks like on the front. Yeah, this is just, I might try it out. We'll see. I might really like it. I'm gonna watch some videos on how to use it and how to bake your skin. I used to bake my skin in high school, but that was tanning. Now there's a new way of baking your skin. So who would have thunk? And then another thing that I wouldn't have picked for myself, because most of you guys know I have eczema really bad. So, but they sent me this. It's really cool and I totally like the idea of it, but I'm just really worried it's going to cause me to have an eczema flare-up. It is from Daily Concepts and it's Daily Detox Massaging Brush. So it's a brush for your skin. It's a dry brush. So I guess it's supposed to help with cellulite too or something. I'm not sure. It stimulates circulation. I think it's really cool, but I'm just really nervous on how my skin will react to it. So if you guys have super dry, sensitive skin and you have something like this and you use it, let me know in the comment section what you guys think and if it irritates your skin, because I'm kind of nervous on trying this out, but I'll probably still try it. Another thing that I got was this No More Baggage from Dr. Brandt. It is Needles No More, No More Baggage. It's eye depuffing gel. So I actually am not going to open this because I got the same exact one in, I believe, BoxyCharm like 4 months ago or 5 months ago. I don't know. But I'm going to give this to my mom because I think that'd be a nice gift to give her. So I'm going to give this to her. I'll show you what it looks like. It comes out like a beigey color, but this is what it looks like right here. I'm going to give this to my mom, probably with like her Mother's Day gift set that I'm going to be putting together for her, but I'll be giving this to her. And then next I got this right here is from, I think it's Way is how you pronounce it. It's Way Hair Care Leave-In Conditioner Spray. This smells so good. I smelt it. I haven't used it yet. As you can see, my hair's kind of dry right now, but oh, it smells so good. It smells like really high-end perfume. Like it smells really, really pretty, but not the obnoxious smell of high-end perfumes, how some of them can be. This actually smells really good. So I'm really excited to use this. Probably use it tomorrow. I don't know why I haven't used it yet. I wish I did, so I can tell you guys how I liked it. But I hear that it's like supposed to be really, really popular and celebrities use this as well. So hey, I can be like them, right? Oh my gosh, Riley, stop opening and closing the door. Sorry. It's one of those days. And then last but not least, okay, I did not get the jump rope that a lot of people got. If you saw the other FabFitFun box openings, I did not get the jump rope, which is fine. I'm okay with it because I'm a mommy of 3. My bladder is not good with jumping. So I'm okay with that. I was actually going to let my kids use it, so it's okay. But I got this, as other people did too, and this is from Mana Kedar, I think that's how you pronounce it, and it says Relax. It's Champagne Charcoal Scrub. I opened this and it smells amazing. Look how pretty this rose gold is. It's so gorgeous. Such a beautiful feminine color. But yeah, this is what it looks like. Doesn't look so pretty when you open it. But yeah, that's what it looks like. But it smells amazing. Like seriously, if I had a body spray that smelled like this, I would be wearing it all of the time. It smells so good. Alright guys, so that is my FabFitFun box. I hope you guys enjoyed it. And I hope you enjoyed my video, and yeah, I hope you don't mind the constant opening and closing of the front door. Yeah, anyways, thank you so much for watching. If you're new to me, please just stick around, subscribe, and like my video because I can use more friends and I love having you guys. So I'll be making some more videos up or to come, and yeah, thank you for watching, and I'll see you guys again in my next video. Bye now.